What's going on, guys? This is a GUI app you can write with Python, a beginner Python project you can do. Bible app. It's a Bible app. 6 verses from the Bible on the GUI. It's just a button. 6 buttons. Choose which button you want, and when you click it, it'll print. It'll show the verse in the terminal. Simple. Beginner Python project you can do. Alright, let's try it. This is the command to run it because I manually named my file bible2.py. If you want to save it as a Python file, you have to have Python installed and just call it .py, but name your file. I named mine Bible2. Simple app for beginners. Python project you can do. Alright, that's it, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. See you guys next time.